Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Canary Capital Rentals. My name is David. If it's your first time here, this channel right here was made so that you can join me on the journey of launching a 360 video. I always have these bloopers. You know, this time I'm giving it to you raw, baby. No Vaseline. The page that you guys see here today is Google. I typed in 360 photo booth near me. I was scrolling and I was scrolling and I was scrolling and I got blisters on my finger for so much scrolling that I did. And then to kind of find out, I'm all the way on the 5th page at the very bottom right here. 360 photo booth Canary Capital Rentals. So now that we know that we have a lot to work on, let's get to work, guys. Please, before I move forward, I just want you to take 2 seconds to like and subscribe. Go for it. Thank you. Now that we know that we are on the 5th page, all the way at the bottom, 6 feet underground, nobody knows we exist, nobody knows we are relevant. It's extremely difficult for people to find us, so we are not really accessible or visible. We don't have an online presence. That's what we're going to tackle on. So if you already received the 360 photo booth and now you're thinking like, okay, well, let's get things cracking. Like, it's on I put it up on my TikTok, my Instagram, my Facebook. I have my Google business page set up because my Google page business is free to make. That's right, guys. You got to go on Google and then you're going to go to Google My Business and then register your business on there, put all your information. It's absolutely free. That way you get indexed on Google, and that this is going to help people know that your business exists. I already did that. But now we need to drive traffic. Now we need to start ranking for these keywords such as 360 photo booth, 360 video booth rental, 360 photo booth rental service. These are the keywords that we want to rank for, so that when they type this information in, when the potential customer types in this information right here, we want to be in the top 3. We might settle for the top 5 depending on how we're feeling, but our ambitions is strong and we're going to continue hustling. So I suggest you subscribe and you follow and you like, because we're going to get through this together. Join the journey, guys. I'm gonna see you on the next video. I'm gonna do some homework so that you guys don't have to worry about doing a ton of research. That way, when we are ranking on the 3rd page 30 days from now, or even on the 1st page 30 days from now, I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to get on the 1st page, 2nd or 3rd page. Bottom line is, we cannot be on the 5th page, on the very last listing of the 5th page. So let's do this together, guys. I'll see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video was nice, short and sweet. Reminds me of me. All right, guys, take care. Peace.